you that the pale blue dot is not as invisible as you might think. As the Earth developed, very early in its history, it started making something that made us very visible to the universe. And that's oxygen. Phytoplankton made oxygen, all right? Oxygen is something that carbon-based life requires to exist. That's us. We're carbon-based. And oxygen being required means that an alien species that's carbon-based is gonna look for oxygen in a planet's spectrum if it can see the atmosphere. Well, how can we see the atmosphere of a planet light years away? Not so hard. When the planet passes in front of the star, it pollutes the star's spectrum with enough information that we can read that spectrum and see what the planet's atmosphere is made of. James Webb just did it. And guess what it found? Didn't find oxygen, but it found something called dimethyl sulfide.